Go to sleep.
Mic off.
So there's some other things that I haven't shown you, like the voice menu, some of the things that are built into the system in order to manipulate the device as part of the process. Wake up.
Mic on.
Voice menu.
Voice menu.
Go to sleep.
Mic off.
So you can see I've built in some functionality in order to increase the volume in my headset or bring it down, allow the user to interpret faster. So I'm going to have the voice speak a little faster. As users continue to use these systems, they become more, I guess, like comfortable with the voices on the system, so they tend to increase the speed of the system, which increases their productivity as well. Speak slower, of course, and then there's the ability to create what's called a voice profile, which basically sets the volumes and speeds for an individual, so you don't have to go through a calibration process every time you take on the handheld. Not everyone uses that, but it is a valuable tool for those who do. Wake up.
Mic on.
Volume up.
Volume increased.
Volume down.
Volume decreased.
Volume down.
Volume decreased.
Speak faster.
Cadence increased.
Speak faster.
Cadence increased.
Speak slower.
Cadence decreased.
Exit.
Scan task number.
I disconnected my scanner, so all right.
Please scan location. Alpha 24435 Bravo 22.
I'm there.
Confirm pick quantity. Say 18 ready.
Voice menu.
Voice menu.
Speak faster.
Cadence increased.
Speak faster.
Cadence increased.
Exit.
Confirm pick quantity. Say 18 ready.
18 ready.
Please scan location. Michael 5815 Foxtrot 10.
I'm there.
Confirm pick quantity. Say 67 ready.
Help me.
Please confirm pick quantity. This isn't exactly rocket science, you know.
Go to sleep.
Mic off.
So you can see we can build all kinds of funny things into the solution if you want to. Wake up.
Mic on.
67 ready.
Please scan location. Bravo 44865 Golf 21.
Help me.
Scan the location or say, aisle, bay, level, continue. I'm there or at the location.
Log off.
Are you sure you want to exit?
Yes.
Thank you. Goodbye.
So as you can see, there's all kinds of cool things that you can build into the system. It's a pretty cool tool, but it really allows for you to be able to design a voice-based system for a customer, for yourself. It's something that customers do tend to self-maintain. There are some other things that you can do in order to improve productivity without making any type of changes to your back-end system. Now, the system isn't, like the solution isn't going to allow you to be able to add wave picking to a system that doesn't have wave picking as an example. You have access to the functionality that you've always had. This just provides you a method around enhancing with voice or adding some additional functionality that you can use in order to make what you have run more efficiently. As an example, if you wanted to perform some type of a mathematical task, if you were doing a cycle count, for instance, and you wanted to say +2, +2, +2, for instance, as you're picking, you could set it up so the system accumulates the things that you've added, and it will keep track of how many pieces. So if you needed to pick 10 and you say +2, it'll say pick 8, +2, pick 6, and so on. Or being able to do other things like taking information that you're using in your picking process multiple times, like a license plate or some other value, and being able to auto-populate fields so that a user doesn't have to enter them over and over again. So lots of different scenarios. We had a customer that was picking felt tip pens, and they would pick them in bundles, and when the user got to the location, he didn't know if the bundles were going to be 10s or 25s or any other value, and he was being told to pick product by each. And so if he was told to pick 1,200 pieces and he had to pick bundles of 25, he had to know that he had to buy, he had to pick, was it 4,800 pieces? So actually, no, I got that wrong. Anyway, case in point, you can basically say bundle pick. The system would say how many pieces are in a bundle. You say 10, and it tells you to pick 120 bundles, for instance. So all kinds of cool things that you can build into the solution to make it more efficient, speed up a user, and not make his job more difficult, make his job easier so that he can focus on what he's doing using a headset, allow him to do his job without having to carry a calculator around or have to write things down or other things that are just going to slow him down and make his job more convoluted. So this is one way to do it. Again, it keeps the cost down. There's no additional hardware that needs to be purchased. If you have devices that support SpeakEasy, there's a long list of devices. And again, if you want to know more about this, feel free to reach out to myself at Mobile Solutions Canada. My information will be at the bottom of the screen. Feel free to reach out to me if you have any questions. I'd be happy to help. And thank you for taking the time to listen.